Hey everybody, this is Michael with SoloStream, and I'm going to walk you through a short little tutorial here on how to set up your own custom navigation menu with a plugin called Menu Manager. And the site I'm going to be working with here, this is a friend of mine who's converting a static HTML site over to WordPress. And so this is kind of the working copy, and it's very immature at this point, so we're just kind of getting it going. But this is her current navigation menu. And the reason I like this plugin is because one of the problems with WordPress is there's no real easy and flexible way to create a navigation menu. So to give you an example, most WordPress themes, the way they work is the navigation menu is basically just a collection of all your pages. And in this particular case, we have this page here called Articles, and rather than that be a page, we want to actually use an article category archive. And so there's no real easy way to do that with WordPress out of the box. So we're going to use this plugin called Menu Manager. So I've already got this installed, but if you don't have it installed, you want to go to your Add New under your Plugins panel there, and then just type Menu Manager. And it should come up for you, and it's right here. Just click the install button, it'll go ahead and install. Once it's installed, you're going to have a link down here under your settings, so we'll go to that page. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can check off all your pages, and that would place the page up here in your menu structure, but I'm actually going to do it a little bit different way. I'm going to do a completely custom menu, and the reason I want to do that is because I can have a different label. For example, if I've got a page title called About, I can have a label over here different than that. If I want to say About Me, or if I want my About title on my site, if I want this to say about me, about us, about our company, but I only want to have about up here in the navigation, then we need to do a custom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create this menu over here on the custom side. I'm just going to pause this while I do it so it doesn't take up too much time. Okay, so I have all my pages here. I've got the label and I've got the URL. And I even have this articles label here, which points to my articles category. So what we want to do at this point is go ahead and hit save. We'll go down here and save this. And so then we're going to have all of our pages listed up here. So if you'll notice, we've got some sub-pages. So this What is Coaching is a sub-page of About. So let's grab that, and this is a drag and drop. We're going to bring this over and just drop it into this About box, and I think we have a couple others. So Articles is a sub-page of Success Tools, so we'll drag that in there. And I think this Request a Coaching Session is sub-page of Get Coaching, so we'll drop that one in there, and we want to save this. So now the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go into the template and do a little bit of coding, or at least change a little bit of coding. So the navigation for most themes can be found in this header template. So let's go there, and I know exactly where it is in WPLE. So with WPLE, it's basically this block of code here, and of course your theme might be different, but this is the way it works for LE. So there's a template tag that you're going to need, and I've already done this on another site, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this code here, and I'll paste this on the post so you'll be able to see it. So we just want to take this out of here, and I'm just going to paste this in here. So basically what this code is telling WPLE to do, if this plugin exists, Menu Manager, go ahead and run the Menu Manager. If it doesn't, just go ahead and run the basic navigation menu built into the theme. So we're going to update this, and we should have our custom menu with any luck here. And it looks like we do, so this is going to point to an articles page now. Whoops. Looks like I coded something wrong here, or at least did the wrong link. Go back to Menu Manager and check that out. You want to make sure you get all your links correct, or else you'll get errors. So after you get done, you'll want to go through and you want to make sure that your links all point to the proper page. And then you'll see the home link here is out of place, so we're going to move that over. Actually, let's make this 2, and we'll make this 1. You can even change the position of these links. So I'll make this 2, I'll make this 3, and that will determine where your links show up on your navigation bar here. And so that is your navigation menu. So you have to play around with this plugin a little bit. It's fairly easy to use, but there are some small idiosyncrasies, like the drag and drop is a little clunky at times, but for the most part it works pretty well. So that's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments section, and we'll see you soon.